Are you paying too much for online marketing? Do you get confused all the time, every time that you have to use a different platform with a different menu? Do you feel you want to give up just because you have obstacles setting things up? Do you create funnels and you feel like you should do way more but you don't know how? Have you ever made a website and you felt like it takes forever to make one? What about 2 websites? How about 3 websites? You wouldn't even think about it. Have you ever thought about having more than one business, but you have never knew how to set it up because it would take way too long? If you're an affiliate, if you're an online marketer, and you never knew about Builderall, make sure you click that link below so you learn more about one platform that provides you all the tools you need in order for you to succeed online, and the tools that you have been using but paying way too much money for each tool. So make sure you sign up and find out more. There's a 7-day free trial. If you buy all the tools separately from any other company, you will pay like at least $500. Here you get it for $30 a month. They're the same or even better quality than the other services, man, that you probably have been using or you know about that they exist, but you gotta find out about this. So click the link down below. And find out about this platform, man. You have nothing to lose. You have only things to gain.